is changing the game for product management, making manual research and product tasks easier and faster. From discovering market trends to crafting product designs, AI could be your secret weapon to innovate faster and make better decisions. Our generative AI workshop for product managers will boost your product management skills with the power of AI in just a few sessions, enabling you to do a better job as a product manager. We're not here to teach you product management, but rather to show you how to make your job easier and more impactful with AI. During the workshop, you'll learn how to harness AI to transform every aspect of product management, from discovering market insights, generating product ideas, and creating detailed user stories and product requirement documents to designing useful prototypes and user experiences. You'll dive into tools like ChatGPT and other large language models, explore prompt engineering, and cover the latest AI trends and best practices. Our workshop follows Wawiwa's proprietary JET design methodology that combines live classes, cutting-edge content, and hands-on practice to ensure that you get an engaging and effective tech training. This isn't just another watch-a-video course. In our live workshop, you'll actively learn and apply AI tools to enhance your product management skills. You'll connect with fellow product managers and have the opportunity to get all your questions answered by experts in real time. Our goal is to equip you with AI tools and understanding, enabling you to streamline your processes and drive innovation in your product management role. So if you want to boost your product management skills, sign up today for Wawiwa's Generative AI Workshop for Product Managers.